Alright, so today's the day I'm finally going to pick my habanero peppers, and we're going to make some fermented hot sauce. Now, I thought I'd make a video, a little silliness and fun in the midst of all this quarantine and, horrible things going on in the world. Hopefully you learned something. I know I enjoy making the hot sauce, and hopefully you'll make it and you'll enjoy it as well. So everybody that knows me, I'm up here on the deck, knows I love to experiment with different chili peppers every summer. And, I grow different ones. And here are some of the ghost peppers, some of the hottest on the planet. I forgot what they are on the Scoville scale. Here's one that's actually turned red. They even look evil with different divots and wrinkles. But the one pepper I grow every year is the habanero, and boy, have they come in abundance for me. As far as you can see, there's habaneros. There's a green one, but in no time that'll be orange. But I can move a couple leaves here, look inside. It's just amazing how many there are. And it's going to be pretty great. I'll be making lots of hot sauce for all my friends and neighbors. So let's get to the kitchen and start making us some hot sauce, fermented hot sauce. Okay, so the first thing we want to do in making our fermented hot sauce, habanero hot sauce, you want to get rid of all these green tops. Pretty easy, they snap right off. A lot of people would use gloves. I'm not that sensitive. I just cut them in half, drop them in a jar. I leave the seeds. I like it really spicy. You can see all the seeds in there. Some people say the heat's in the seeds, other people say it's in the rib or the vein. They're both going in, so wherever it is, it's going to be hot. These are all habaneros from my rooftop deck garden. And we'll just continue cutting and filling these until we reach probably about 3/4 of the way. Alright, so once you have it at this point, what you want to do is, you can use a wooden spoon. I use a muddler, a bartender tool, muddle things like mint juleps, that kind of stuff. And this is just to get it as far down as you can before you add the water. You can use tap water. I prefer using purified water. Better taste. No fluoride. Then what you want to do is add sea salt or kosher salt. I would say about 2.5 tablespoons is good enough to start the fermentation process. Let's say 3. And then muddle it down again. And spicy fermented habanero sauce. I wanted to add pineapple to the fermentation, so I sliced up some pineapple and just going to cut it in small chunks. We'll put that right in. could do mango, that would be really good too. Add that in. And I probably should have kind of layered these things and mixed it that way. And I think I might need a bigger jar. And so there you go. As you can see, I ended up going with a bigger jar. You do want to put like a little weight in there just to hold the peppers below the fermentation liquid, to avoid any chances of mold developing, that sort of thing. Eventually you're going to get sort of a cloudy look here, but that's all good. That's good stuff, good gut stuff. The bubbles coming up, that's all good stuff. And we're going to let this ferment for at least 2 weeks. And then we're going to start making habanero pineapple garlic hot sauce. Ta-da! And here's the finished product. Just got to blend it up after you ferment it. This is the habanero pineapple sauce I made. Came out fantastic. The ghost peppers came in, so I did a ghost pepper, mango, ginger, garlic fermented hot sauce here. We can do a future video on that one. This is lethal. Love it. And for my wife, who doesn't like things too spicy, I did a jalapeno, cilantro, garlic, and celery seed sauce, which also fermented, came out awesome. So, hope you enjoyed the video, and hopefully you'll get out there and make your own sauce.